You can connect your mouse to your iPhone or Android phone. Hi, I'm Moses, and in this video, I will show you how to connect your mouse using Bluetooth or a cable on your Android phone. Now let's get started. You'll be needing three things: a Bluetooth or wired mouse, a USB to Type-C adapter, a female USB to male USB cable extension. Make sure it's having this knob. Then back to the Bluetooth mouse, this part of the USB here. We have the bottom one, which says Bluetooth. Then the middle one is when you put it off. Then the top one is when you are using the USB dongle. Okay, so once you have this, you are ready to go. First, I'm going to start with the iPhone using Bluetooth. I will turn on the Bluetooth on the mouse to the Bluetooth logo here, just down here. Then I'll go to the phone. I'll just swipe down and go to the Bluetooth. Click it. So what I'm trying to do is to connect the Bluetooth and the mouse together. So let us search for it. Okay, it's down here. BT 5.2 mouse. I'll click on it. Then I'll pair. Let me check up. It is okay. It's connected here. Once that is done, I'll still go back to my settings on the iPhone. I'll go to accessibility and I will scroll down to touch. Then at the top here, you have assistive touch. You can see that it's off. I'll put it on. And you can see immediately this thing pop up, which I can use to control the phone. So let me open an app like Metronome Beat. You can see I can start it with it and I stop with it. So that is how you can connect the Bluetooth mouse to your iPhone. Then for the Android phone using Bluetooth, we turn on the Bluetooth again, just the same way we've done it before on the mouse. Then we'll go to settings and search for, or you just scroll down here to look for Bluetooth. We put it on. Then this is the Bluetooth here. We click on it and then we pair. You can see, and that is it. And on the Android phone, it's showing the cursor the way it should be on the laptop. Then for us to use the Android phone using the cable, first I'll plug in the USB to Type-C converter adapter. See, says successfully connected. Okay. Then once I'm done with that, remove the USB, the mouse USB dongle connector first. I'll put it aside. But before then, I'm going to switch this to the top one. So the top one is the cable network. Okay, I'll keep it aside. Then my female to USB, I'll plug in the USB dongle here. Okay, look at it. I'll plug it in here. Okay, once that is done, then I will pick up the phone and then plug in the USB to this converter I've done here. Okay, you can see that, and then you can see it has started working on it, so I can start operating the phone with the mouse. And sometimes if you didn't see that, you have to turn on OTG. You can search for it. Let's search for it. OTG. You turn it on. Okay, see, you can see the OTG is, if I put it off now, you can see it won't work again. If I turn it on back, see, the whole thing is working. I can use it to operate it. I can go back. You can see. You can use it to start working on the phone. You can check all this one here. Okay. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe. Check my other playlist for other important content you might be looking for.